Hello guys, welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the NASDAQ 100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, I've just got some important news. Tomorrow I am not going to be on YouTube. I won't be posting any videos as I'm travelling from Greece back to the UK. And I've got quite a late flight, so unfortunately there will be no videos tomorrow. But let's try and cover tomorrow's trading session with today's video. But just before I do so, anyone who would like to copy the same trades as myself and join my Signal team, then please do not hesitate to visit dailymarketmovements.com. I've left the website link in the description of today's video. I charge a very small fee of $29.99. But let's talk about the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ has had a soft open today. You would have heard me in yesterday's video saying, during yesterday's very short session, of course, because it was bank holiday, or a public holiday in the US, so markets were closed and liquidity was the volume was very low during yesterday's trading session. And I said, we are likely to roll over and basically pair that 1.3% gain that initially occurred during yesterday's trading session, and that's exactly what happened going into the open today. The NASDAQ 100 was down pretty much 1%, and it still is. So we're pretty much flat going into this week, because of course we had the 1% gain yesterday, and then today we're down 1%. So I think it'll be very interesting to see whether NASDAQ 100 can go over the next couple of days. We didn't quite hit the 50-day EMA up at 13,100. That's an area where I'm looking for. I think that we can rally a little bit further here, go and at least test for the 50-day EMA up at 13,100. And then that, to be honest with you guys, is an area where I do expect the bears to try and take back control. So I don't think that's going to be a clean break back up towards the 200-day EMA. I think this is an area where we may struggle. We may break down. We could go and even test for lows, or we could just come back down halfway and then go and retest it. Your guess is as good as mine, but we just got to take it step by step. This week's a very big week because we have non-farm payrolls at the end of the week on Friday, and then next week we have the CPI, so the Consumer Price Index figures coming out, and that's going to give us a real good reading about how inflation is. Has it peaked? Has it not peaked? I think that's what is going to dictate where this market goes within the next couple of days. But I myself and my Signal team currently have a buy position open here in the NASDAQ 100. Congratulations if you're involved in that, because you will be making some great money at this moment in time, like myself. And I think that we are going to continue to hold until it goes and hits our take profit. And if you would like to find out what our take profit is, then definitely go and subscribe to my Signal service.